Hello everyone, welcome back to the second session of the next session on the PLC program. Today we'll be dealing with the timing circuit, the circuit which is used, a timer circuit which is used to off the motor after 20 seconds. Okay, this is the condition which is given to us, and we have to construct the circuit accordingly. Okay, so let us see how we can construct it. Procedure same you have to follow. You have to select the PLC configuration, say default, say OK. Logic design, say OK. Okay. For that we need one switch first, sorry, contact. Okay, and then we need the timer circuit, that is T off. Go to the timer, go to select T off timer, say place. Okay, here you have to give the after how many seconds your motor to be turned off, either 10 second, 20 second. Okay, it depends on you. So here give T off as it is, and type keep T off as it is. Okay, next here you have to give the time T hash and 20 second or 10 second. I go on 20 second. Here you have to give T out. When you click it in type, you have to select here and you have to keep it time. Okay, not boolean this time. Okay, similarly you have to give the name. Now this is DI1, that is a digital input, say boolean. Okay, one switch is required. Go to the switch, give the name here, digital output 1, say OK. Now next is you have to go to the PLC configuration to define the variable names. Okay, okay. Once you give all the data, next you have to go to the PLC configuration to define the which variables you have used in the diagram. Okay, go to the onboard input outputs, same what we did in the first experiment. Give here DI1, that is digital input 1. Next go to the output, give DO1, that is digital output 1. So close it. Now go to the online option, go to simulation mode, go to again online, say login. Once you log in, say run. Now go to online again and you have to run it. Okay, now see, logic behind this is when I give the input, that is DI1, the motor will start. Okay, that is DO1 will start, and after 20 second this will off. This is what our condition is, and this condition has to be followed by the circuit. Then only you can say that whatever you did, it's a correct. Okay, now here you have to give the input. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, see this, you have to press F7 and you have to double click on the DI1. Okay, then only this will start, or else it will not start. Okay, now press, and you have to, once you have to on it and once you have to off it. Okay, then only it will start. Now see, the timer is started, and you will note that after 20 second, okay, this DO1 will off automatically. Just wait for 20 second and see, Once the 20 second is over, it will off. This is how you can execute the timing circuit. Thank you.